Welcome back, and here we are in day 12, 30 days of teaching you how to teach abroad. Today we're going to talk about preparing your documents. This is probably the part that takes the longest time, just getting everything organized, because you need to have these things ready for your visa, for your residency, for all that, everything that you're going to need to actually work and live legally in the country, you're going to need to prepare. So I made a list of the things that I would start getting prepared and ready and to make sure that I have. Your degree, obviously your degree. If you are a newly qualified teacher, let the school know that you will be getting your degree at this certain time. I did that when I had my first job in Kuwait, and they were totally cool with it. And as soon as I got the degree, I made sure that I sent them a scan of that over. So just be very clear about when you're gonna have your degree ready. But if you already have it, girl, you're good. Transcripts, official transcripts. I would get those babies now. If you were in a place, my school does not do online transcripts, so I have to get them mailed. And sometimes that can take a little bit of time. You don't want to be doing it last minute. So if you need to, if your school also doesn't have official transcripts that are able to be emailed, go ahead and start getting them ordered now. Order your official transcripts. And I would get a couple copies just in case, you never know. Your passport, make sure your passport is valid, number one, and make sure you have copies of it. So just go ahead and just scan you some copies, have them on your laptop ready to go, getting organized, but make sure your passport is valid and that you have copies of it. And I would also get extra passport pictures to take with you. And that's just like an extra thing, because you will have to do some medical tests on arrival. I know specifically for the Middle East when you come to teach here. So just having those and being prepared for all of the documents that you're going to be, looking at when you get here. I said the extra passport photos, a criminal background check. You're going to need that. Go ahead, run it up. Get to them people at the FBI. Tell them to send you your background check. Send it over. You're going to need that. We need to make sure that you are not a criminal. We don't want any criminals over here. None. And then the last thing is you're going to need a medical check. So I've had to do this like here in the States, and then when you go to the place, especially in the Middle East, there will be, they will take you to the doctors as well to get you all checked out, make sure that you're not sick, you're not bringing anything into the country, all of that jazz. Super simple, super easy. The school pays for it. They take care of it. It is kind of annoying to have to do some of this stuff twice, but that's the name of the game. That's the way it goes. So make sure that you have all of these things ready and prepared. If you are working on applying for jobs and getting those applications in, which you should be starting to get ready, because once April hits, baby, it's time to hit the ground running. Make sure you have all of these documents ready to go. Yes, that is day 12. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comments. And I will see you back here tomorrow for day 13.